Okay, so today introduction to MPMC, microprocessors and microcontrollers. First topic is computer number systems. Binary, hexadecimal and octal number systems. These fall under the category of computer number systems. That means computers use these number systems to perform operations and store data in computers. But human beings are familiar with decimal number system. So today we are not going to learn about these number systems in detail, but we are concerned with the conversions of these number systems with decimal number system. So first, binary number system. In binary number system, the base is 2. Symbols allowed are 0 and 1. Okay. Now, conversion from binary to decimal. For example, 1011.110 to the base 2. I want to find the decimal number equivalent to this binary number. How to find? Take the number 1011.110. In binary number system, the number to the left of decimal point, binary point, will have the place value of 2 power 0. This symbol have a place value of 2 power 1. Now this one will have a place value of 2 power 2. This one will have a place value of 2 power 3. And it continues, 2 power 4, 2 power 5 continues. To the right of the binary point, place value is 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, 2 power minus 3, and it continues, 2 power minus 4, 2 power minus 5, so on. So the decimal number corresponding to this, the equivalent decimal number of this binary is 1 into 2 power 3 plus 0 into 2 power 2 plus 1 into 2 power 1 plus 1 into 2 power 0 plus 1 into 2 power minus 1 plus 1 into 2 power minus 2 plus 0 into 2 power minus 3. Remaining all values are zeros. So we need not mention them. We will get 8 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0.5 plus 0.25, which is equal to 11.75. The decimal number equivalent to this binary is 11.75. So this is how we will convert a binary number to decimal number. It is very similar to the expanded form. If we know the weights of these places, we will multiply the weight with the corresponding symbol and add all the sums to get the decimal equivalent. This is very simple. Similarly, 1011.0110. If this is a binary number, find its decimal equivalent and mention in the comment section. Now, binary to decimal is completed. Decimal to binary. Method number 1, trivial method. This method is a reverse process of this method. 15 in base 10 should be converted into a binary number. How? Express this 15 as a sum of powers of 2. Like 15 means 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. The sum gives you 15. So this is nothing but right. So this 15 corresponds to 1, 2 power 3, 2 power 2. Write the symbols. 2 power 1, 2 power 0, 0.000. You can write zeros to the left. So this becomes the binary equivalent to decimal. To the left of the decimal point, 2 power 0, it is 1. 2 power 1, 1. 2 power 2, 1. 2 power 3, 1. Over. So the binary equivalent of 15 is 1, 1, 1, 1. We shall take another example. 28 to the base 10. I want to find the binary equivalent. How? 28 can be written as 16, 8 plus 4, 28. So this is 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 2, 2 power 1, 2 power 0. This becomes the binary equivalent of 28. Over. This is the trivial method, which is the reverse method of earlier method. But this method becomes complex when the value of decimal number increases. So we will generally use another method, that is division method, which is very easy to convert a decimal number to binary number. For example, take this 15. To convert it into a binary number, we will divide it with a 2. 2 7 are 14. The remainder is written to the right. Now continue the process. Again divide it with 2. 2 3 are 6. Remainder will be 1. Again divide it with 2. 2 1 are 2. Remainder will be 1. Again you can divide it with 0. Remainder will be 1. When you get a 0 here, stop the process. Collect the remainders. Go from bottom to top. 1 1 1 1. This becomes binary equivalent of 15, which is same as this thing. Over. Very simple. Now take this 28.